Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to review a Bluetooth speaker which brand name is Peterhot and the model number is 800 Peterhot 800. So let's unbox the gadget or the speaker. I am using this speaker since 1 year and then I am giving you the review of this speaker. Let's see what inside it. First of all, a user manual. This is no time to read it. Here the speaker, and in the box there charging cable, and these are the fake antenna and legs where the speaker stands. Let's set the antenna and the legs. These are the fake these are the fake antenna. It's also have FM radio, and these are the fake antenna. Let's set the legs. Sorry for the noise coming from outside. It's have a vintage look, like a retro TV style speaker it is. And let's set the antenna. And this is the another one. So this is the final look of the speaker. As a showpiece, it's not looks bad because of its retro look is very awesome. Here I have the switch of some function. You can change the mood. Here is the mood changing switch. Here is the next, previous button, and when you connect with your phone by Bluetooth, you can receive call and talk with other one. Let's turn on the speaker. By the way, this is the flash drive port, and this is the TF card, and this is the charging port or aux in port, and this is on off switch. Let's turn on the speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
After turning on, you can hear the voice command. Now this speaker is in Bluetooth mode. Let's change the mode.
FM mode.
Now this is in FM mode.
AUX mode.
Now this is in AUX mode. You can listen song by connecting your phone or other device by cable, aux cable. By the way, this is also a phone holder. You can hold your phone in this speaker. You can use as like a phone holder. Let's check the sound of this speaker. Now I am connecting my phone with the speaker by Bluetooth. And you can hold your phone with this speaker when watching movies and dramas like this.
Hi, and welcome to the first episode of Notun Ganai Group.
অপেক্ষা করতাম যদি সেরা তিনজনের একজন হতে পারতাম।
Hi, and welcome to the first episode.
Okay friends, so thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel and wait for the next video.